Hey guys, welcome back to Emmy and Sprinkle. Today I will be showing you how to build a giant cat sculpture. And also, like and subscribe, please. It helps my channel a lot, and also it helps the YouTube algorithm. Okay, so first originally you're gonna need to put your cat, make her sit down. I put mine in a glass thing so you can see what it looked like. Oh, she's adorable. But we want to see her face, so. Okay, so we're gonna do her paws first. So if I look at them, I see that they go like this. And then I see a lighter shade of gray. I wonder how we're gonna get the lighter shade of gray. Okay. Let's just do a clay block. And it goes a few blocks up and then it stops right there. And then we do the pure white for like a... How about we just not do this one? It'll be a lot cuter. There we go, we got one hand. Oh, there's a baby llama. Okay, then we are gonna go up. It actually looks like the hands attach. Okay. I am not gonna attach them fully, I'm just gonna go like that, because I think it will be cuter. And then there we go, there's the kitty thing like there. Okay. Then we will make her be sitting down. Actually, that will make her look like a horse, so let's just do the front of her. Okay, there we go. And then let's make her go up more. Okay, there we're just gonna do the tail. And then we're going to do this cute thing right there. There we go. Now let's see this. Okay, I see. We're going to do this. And then, okay. We need black. And then we're gonna want to do the collar. There we go. We will do the collar right there. And then we almost have the whole cat. Okay. Well, actually, let's destroy this tail and make her tail come out from behind. go. Well, thanks guys for watching my YouTube channel. That is how you draw, well, not draw, that is how you make a ginormous cat in Minecraft. A replica of my cat, except for the collar. Okay, bye.